On today's episode of Portage Lakes Career Centre's Nature segment, we will explore many of the vast and creative species that take domicile in this amazing habitat, as well as answering many questions and sharing information our lead researcher has done. Sir Professor Dr. Teacher Lead Researcher Legs will take you on a journey through PLCC. This is Portage Lakes Career Centre's Nature segment. Hi, and welcome to the Portage Lakes Nature segment. Get it out of the frame. No, stop it. Hi, welcome to the Portage Lakes Nature segment. I'm your host, Erwin Steve, and today we're going to go around the Career Centre and we're going to look at all the beautiful species here in this very centre. Now, today we're going to go into some dangerous areas, really dangerous areas, with dangerous species who are alert to noise, alert to smell, very sensitive to sunlight, and some of them have never touched grass. Hold on. The first wing that we're going to today is the medical wing, home to the medtech students and other species alongside them. These species of PLCC Student are some of the most docile and kindest in the building. Now, with these, we have to be real quiet because they're super sensitive to sound, and they just had a big, successful hunt. Now, despite their fascination with teeth, dental students actually don't have any interest in your other bones. This means that they're some of the safest students to be around in the school. Get out of the shop! Now, I'm going to sneak up on the wild DCM lab teacher. This is a wild, crazy, erratic specimen. Now, never do this at home. Right, here we are in Manual World. Now, get a load of this beauty, eh? You know, these students are not always nasty. A lot of them are actually real nice creatures. Now, come on, get a little closer. If you observe, she's doing something on the pewter, yeah? I wonder what she's doing, because I don't have a darn clue. Now, you can get real close to them too. These creatures are real nice and gentle most of the time.